Hi, this is Brian at Sign Provisions, and in this video we are going to go over our free online design tool. Once you have found your product and selected the desired options, you can click Use Online Design Tool to launch the designer. The first time you use the designer, you will see a guided tour automatically. If you have been here before, you can always access the guided tour here. First, we'll go over adding an image to your design. To add an image, click the Upload Image button. Select a high-quality image from your computer, and the image will automatically drop onto the center of your design. Click the image to generate the image toolbar. Using this toolbar, you can resize, position, and arrange your images. First, to resize an image, click the Transform tool. Using the sliders, you can increase or decrease the size of your image. Click the lock to keep your image proportional while resizing. The bottom slider allows you to rotate the image. Next, to position your image, you can either click and drag or use the positioning tools. These tools allow you to align your image to the top, bottom, left, right, or center of your design. It also gives you the ability to flip your image vertically or horizontally. When using multiple images or layers, you can arrange your layers using the Move Up and Move Down buttons on your image toolbar. First, add another image to your design. Then click the up or down arrow to position your image in front or behind other layers in your design. The last button in the toolbar is an Image Reset button. This will restore your image to its original form. Along with the toolbar, there are options that appear in the four corners of your images. By clicking the top left button, you will copy your image as is and paste it directly above your current image. The top right allows you to rotate the image by clicking and dragging the corner. The bottom right lets you change the size of your image by clicking and dragging the corner as well. Lastly, by clicking the bottom left corner, you can easily delete your image. Next, we will cover adding text to your design. To add text, first click the Add Text button. Type your text as you would like it to appear. Note that this is case sensitive. Then click the Add Text button to drop your text onto your design. Select your text and your text options will appear. You are able to select the color, size, font, style, alignment, and case of your text, along with curving, rotating, and positioning your text if needed. When choosing your font size, you can also choose the line spacing and letter spacing using the bottom two sliders. To create curved text, click the Curve Text tool. Select the radius of your curve and select the letter spacing. To rotate your text, click the Transform tool and use the slider. Lastly, to reposition your text, you can either click and drag it or use the positioning tools to align it to the top, bottom, left, right, or center. These positioning tools can also be used to flip text vertically or horizontally. Just like with images, you are still given the options to copy, rotate, resize, and delete text in the four corners of your text selection. Now we will cover adding shapes and images from our library to your design. Click Add Shapes and Images, select the category, and choose the shape or image you want. Click the image to drop it onto your design. The toolbar for shapes and images is the same one used for custom images, and you are given the same four options in the corners of your shape or image. If you have selected a shape, you can also use the color selector to change the color of the shape. Along with the object tools we've gone over, you are given a few general tools to work with on the left and right side of your design canvas. First, you are able to undo or redo actions using these arrows. You can manage and rearrange layers using the Manage Layers tool. Simply click and drag a layer to move it forward or back in your design. You are also given the ability to delete or lock layers from edits if needed. Next, you can add a QR code to your design so your customers can visit you online. Just copy and paste the URL into the text field and click Add QR Code. Then you just need to size and position your code on your design. The next two arrows allow you to toggle views for a product with multiple designs. For example, this product has a front and back view, and as you can see, we can easily switch between views using these arrow buttons. You can also access these views at the bottom left of the page. On the right side, the magnifying glass allows you to zoom in on certain areas of your design. The download button gives you the ability to download your design to your computer as a JPEG, PNG, or PDF. The print button sends your current design to your home printer. The save button allows you to save a design for later editing, and below that, the load button pulls this design back up when you're ready to continue working. The next button is a reset button. This will return your entire design to a blank original. Please be sure to save your design before hitting this button, or you will lose all of your progress. Once you are done designing, click Add to Cart at the bottom of the page to save your designs and move forward to checkout. If you need more than one with the same design, you can simply adjust the quantity in your cart. Thanks for watching this video, and happy designing!